Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about face shape, more specifically about your jawline, which takes part in forming your face. There are two main factors influencing your jawline, first being your age and second one, your body posture. Its beauty can also be affected by the state of your chewing muscles, the muscle under your tongue, your skull bones, or your platysma, the neck muscle. All of these factors lead to sagging in the area of your lower jaw. Let's look at each of them in more details. With years, your chewing muscles cramp and therefore can also get shorter. And therefore your jaw is being pulled up and the corner of your lower jaw becomes less visible. With years, skull bones might shrink and therefore reducing the volume of your face, including your jaw. When platysma is overcontracted and shortened, it pulls tissues of your face down, because this muscle is being attached to the soft tissues of your face. And when you have a bad body posture, the circulation in your face decreases and therefore you get more and more swollen in the third part of your face. Today I'm going to share with you a complex that is going to help you loosen the muscles and improve circulation. So let's begin. First of all, we need to make sure that we open up our chest and bring our shoulders down. You need to pay attention to your body posture throughout the whole day. Try imagining that there is an invisible thread that is pulling you up and try keeping your back straight throughout the day. For the next exercise, lift your shoulders upwards, then bring them to the back trying to connect your shoulder blades together and bring them back down. Repeating this exercise 10 to 15 times. Let's continue working on your lower jaw. For that, we are going to improve the lymphatic flow by boosting the lymphatic nodes around your collarbones. Place your palms in the cavity right above your collarbones. When breathing out, bring your shoulders together and tap your palms deeply into the tissues. Repeating it 5 times. After that, we are going to softly boost the lymphatic nodes around your ears. Place your fingers around your ears as shown on the video and massage around your ears moving upwards. After that, going back down and repeating the exercise again. Now we are going to remove the excessive liquid from your face. Tapping throughout your whole face, starting at the center of your face, moving to the periphery and down, along the side of your neck, moving along the lymphatic flow. Now we are going to work on our neck, bending your neck side to side in order to stretch out the side muscles of your neck. Bringing your head towards the shoulder 10 times on each side. After that, stay in this position for a little bit longer, putting your hand on your head to enhance the effect, feeling how the muscle is stretching. Stay in this position for 20 seconds. Release and repeat the same thing on the other side. Again, staying in this position for 20 seconds. Now we are going to work with the front side of your neck and the platysma muscle. Put your hands on your chest, pulling both your skin and muscles down. After that, lift your chin up and move your lower jaw out by 1 centimeter. You should feel how your muscles are stretching in this moment. And repeat it 10 times. Now we are going to work on front side muscles of your neck, placing your hands in the same way you did in the previous exercise. After that, bend your neck, making sure that the corner of your lower jaw is facing upwards. After that, switch your hands and do 10 more repetitions on the other side. Now we are going to work against the double chin. Grab a fold of tissue right under your chin and roll it towards the corner of your jaw. And bring it back to the front. Try to make sure that you're not pulling your skin too much so that you don't overstretch it. And repeat this exercise again. And smoothen out the area you just worked on. After that, apply some face cream for better gliding and smooth out your lower jawline. By giving it a good pressure, move through the tissues of your lower jaw to the sides towards the corner of your lower jaw. Now let's loosen the chewing muscles. It is very important to work with chewing muscles if you want to have a beautiful face shape. Because when chewing muscles shorten, all the tissues of your face are moving towards the center and down, forming bulldog cheeks. We are going to start off with a gentle circular motion massage of chewing muscles. First, moving opposite clockwise and then clockwise direction. Make sure that you don't close your jaws completely. After that, tap your fingers into the place of chewing muscles attachment next to the corner of your lower jaw. After you did that, slowly open your mouth. You should be feeling how your muscles are stretching out in that moment. After that, move your fingers 1 centimeter apart. Again, tap them deeply into the tissue and slowly open your mouth. Again, move your fingers by 1 more centimeter. Tap them deeply into the tissue and open your mouth. And repeat it 1 more time. Another exercise that you can do anytime throughout the day when nobody sees you. For that, you just very slowly need to open and close your mouth. You can do it anytime as soon as you feel tension in your chewing muscles. You should repeat it 10 to 15 times. This exercise is going to help you loosen the muscles as well as remove tension from the joints. For the exercise, you need to place the tip of your tongue in front of your front upper teeth and stay in this position for 1 to 3 minutes, several times throughout the day. If you want to increase the effect, you can turn your head side to side. In this way, you're also going to be tackling the side muscles of your neck, because its state also influences our face shape and your jawline. You can do the whole complex daily for 2 to 2.5 weeks. After that, move on to the maintenance mode and do it 2 to 3 times a week. Comment below if this complex was interesting for you. Also tell us what other topics and problems we should talk about on our channel. Subscribe to our channel, give our videos thumbs up and share them with your friends. And click the bell to be the first one to see our newest video.